Welcome to Earnings 101. Today we'll be discussing how to make money as a video game streamer. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find it helpful. Are you a video game enthusiast who wants to make some extra money? If so, you may be wondering how to make money online by streaming video games. Selling video game products and services, or creating and selling video game guides. In this video, we'll take a look at each of these methods and provide some tips for making money as a video game streamer. First, let's talk about streaming video games. There are a number of different platforms that you can use to stream video games online, including Twitch, YouTube Gaming, and Facebook Gaming. Each platform has its own unique benefits and drawbacks, so it's important to choose the one that's right for you. Twitch is the most popular streaming platform for video games, with millions of active users. It offers a variety of features for both streamers and viewers, including live chat, donations, subscriptions, and more. However, it can be difficult to stand out on Twitch due to the large number of users and streams. YouTube Gaming is a less popular but still sizable platform for streaming video games. It offers many of the same features as Twitch, but also has some unique benefits like being integrated with YouTube. This can make it easier to grow your audience on YouTube Gaming than on other platforms. Facebook Gaming is the newest major player in the game streaming space. It has a growing user base and offers some unique features like co-streaming, streaming with up to 3 other people, and integration with Facebook Messenger. However, it doesn't have as many active users as Twitch or YouTube Gaming at this time. Next, we'll talk about selling video game products and services. The two most popular platforms for selling video game products and services are eBay and Amazon. You can also sell on your own website, but you'll need to invest in marketing and SEO to make it successful. eBay is a great platform for selling video games because it has a huge audience of potential buyers. You can list your items for auction or set a fixed price, and eBay will take a small percentage of the final sale price as a fee. Amazon is also a popular platform for selling video games, but they work differently from eBay. With Amazon, you list your items at a fixed price and Amazon will take a cut of the sale price when someone buys your item. You can also sell video game products and services on your own website, but you'll need to invest in marketing and SEO to make it successful. Creating your own website gives you more control over the look and feel of your site, as well as what types of products and services you offer. However, it's important to remember that unless you have a lot of traffic coming to your site, you're not likely to make much money. Finally, let's talk about creating and selling video game guides. This can be a great way to make money as a video game streamer, especially if you're an expert in a specific game or genre. You can create guides on various aspects of the game, such as strategies for winning, tips for leveling up, or even walkthroughs for completing the game. You can sell these guides on your own website or through platforms like Amazon Kindle. Tips for making money as a video game streamer: use social media to promote your streams. Create engaging content, interact with your audience, and build a community around your channel. It's also important to be consistent with your stream schedule, and to monetize your streams through sponsorships, donations, and affiliate marketing. There you have it, ways to make money as a video game streamer. Whether it's through streaming, selling products and services, or creating and selling guides, there are plenty of opportunities out there. Remember, consistency and engagement are key to building a successful channel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos on Earnings 101 channel. And visit our website, www.earnings101.com, for more information on how to make money online.